This 2025 Renegade Verona 40VBH is a Super CRV. It is located in Middlebury, in 46,540 and is offered for sale by Royal RV Centre. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Renegade is 39 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 8, Slideout, and 150 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Super C features bunkhouse, outdoor entertainment, rear bedroom. This 2025 Renegade Verona 40VBH is built on a Freightliner M2-106 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.